welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. If you are new, my name is Marika and welcome to my channel. So for today's video, I wanted to show you guys my trash. Let's talk about trash, baby. Let's talk about trash. So I've accumulated a lot of my trash, and I've been saving it for the past few months. Now you guys know I do not wear makeup every day. If you are new to my channel, I am a toddler teacher and I don't get to wear makeup every day like I used to. The past few months after I moved to Indiana and after I got married, you know, I got a new job as a toddler teacher, and I don't wear makeup anymore as much as I used to when I lived in California, and the only time I get to wear makeup is on the weekends. So I'm in trouble because I have a lot of makeup, and I don't know how I'm gonna get to wear them all the time. So anyways, before we get started, I just want to take a drink. It is snowing right now. It's been snowing all day long, and so I've been cooped up. Well, we did go out. Me and my husband went out of town. We drove for about 2 hours to get stuff for his uniform. He's in the Air Force. He's in the reserve, so we had to like go to the nearest base to get his uniforms, like stitches or something, like stitched out or whatever. But anyways, let's get started and talk about my trash. Oh. Anybody else love Mountain Dew? I've been back to my old habits of drinking pop. I guess I'm just gonna pick out whatever I see in the front of me. I emptied out the Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray, makeup setting spray. This is the old packaging because it did take me a while. Like I said, I don't wear makeup all the time. So it took me, I think I had this for a year, that I finally finished it. Hallelujah, hallelujah. So it's still in that old packaging. I know that now it's like in that black packaging, I believe. I don't know, I've kind of lost touch of makeup too. Since I don't wear makeup anymore, I just don't feel the need to buy new makeup all the time now, since I do have adult responsibilities like rent and paying off my car. So yeah. I love this. This is one of my favorite makeup setting spray. It keeps my face matte all the time. I have oily combo skin. So yeah, I really love this. The Christina 100% human hair eyelashes. I wear these all the time in my videos, and when I'm not filming, I wear it all the time. This is what it looks like. Sorry about the glare. I got these off of Amazon. They came in six pack, and I believe they were like $4 to $6. Yeah, these are so pretty. I have another one. I need to order more, but I got it from Amazon. Order yours from Amazon, and these are just the demi wispy ones. They are so great. They are the demi wispy lashes, and they don't really have a name besides it says that Christina on it. They're just a demi wispy. They will have the hashtag demi wispy, whatever. And these are so great. I love them. It makes, I'm not wearing them today, unfortunately. I'm just wearing my regular, my natural lashes. They're kind of short in the beginning, and then they kind of get long at the edge of it, which I really love. It's just great for my eyes because I do have hooded eyelids and my eyes are really small. So when I do wear like those dramatic eye falsies, it just doesn't look good on my eyes because my eyes are small. Okay. Next thing is the strengthening nail polish remover from Up and Up brand from Target. Not really picky on my nail polish remover. I haven't been doing my nails lately. I kind of stopped for a couple months, and then I just finally emptied this out, and it does the job, you know. Yeah. Next one is this Ecotools blending beauty blender, whatever you want to call it. I love this. I actually just purchased another one. This was my first blender from Ecotools, and I love this baby. I love this baby so much. I don't know why I'm so hyper. I think it's because I'm drinking Mountain Dew. I really didn't want to film today because I'm just like, I'm so sleepy. Anyways, I love this. It's so soft and it gets the job done, and it's really bouncy, and you know, you kind of dampen it up and it kind of gets bigger. It does get dirty quickly because of the color, I don't know. But yeah, but when you clean it, it takes off anyway. So yeah, I love it. And it has two different angles, so this is more like the flatter one and this is more like the short flat. So this one goes really well with like your face and stuff like that, and then the shorter edge, it's perfect for your under eye, like concealer and stuff like that. Yeah, super amazing. I love this. I will keep purchasing and purchasing and purchasing this until they run out. I have a sample size of the Too Faced Shadow Insurance. This is just a eyelid primer from Too Faced, and it's actually one of my favorite primers. It's very lightweight. I'm not really picky with my eyelid primers because my eyelids are not oily, you know, so any eyelid primers works with my eyes. Thing is the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. This is just a travel size. I haven't actually purchased the bigger one lately. I haven't been into wearing mascaras a lot lately, and like I said, I'm not picky with my mascaras either. I really like this in particular. I didn't like the L'Oreal one, the dupe for this one. Everyone says that's like so much better than this one, but I still love my Better Than Sex mascara just because I love the name too. Rose Deep Hydration Face Cream from Fresh. Oh my god, you were my baby. I am so sad that you are gone. Like, I'm really sad that this is gone. Like, it just kept my face hydrated throughout the day. It didn't feel oily on my skin. I'm really picky when it comes to face cream. I don't like it when it leaves like that oily residue at the end of the day. Ugh, no, not for me. But I love Fresh products. They are like my go-to skincare products, but I'm so glad. I'm not glad. I'm so sad that this is gone. I didn't repurchase this. But I'm trying to, I guess I'm trying to use different products, or I'm trying to figure out what other face cream that I like. So I'm using something from Sephora at the moment. I needed to save money, so I kind of went for something a little cheaper than Fresh. So I went with the Sephora face cream. So far I like it. It has that coconut ingredients to it. This one, it smells like roses. I love smells of roses, and I do have their facial toner as well, but I'm not done with that one yet, so yeah. Next thing is this Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. I got this from my BoxyCharm. You see, it's very empty. This is just their travel sized one, and I love this. I really love this. I did not care that this thing was like a freaking thick consistency. I just loved it, and it smelled so good. But the thing is, their bigger size is really dang expensive. Sorry, I'm talking a lot, so I'm like thirsty a lot. So yeah, I really love this. It made my skin like, I would, after I get done from the shower, I would just lather it all over my arms and my body, and it just made my body and my skin just feeling so fresh, and you know, like it didn't, I don't know, I just love the feeling of it, and it smelled so good. This Makeup Forever Excessive Lash, what is this? Oh my god, mascara. I did not like this. I tried it for 2 days, did not like it. This is just a travel size. I got it from like their kit a couple of months ago, and I don't like this. I will not be repurchasing this at all. It didn't do anything to my eyelashes. Yeah, basically I'm just like, what are you doing? Yeah, it didn't give me volume or anything like that. Nothing, nada. So the next thing is this L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Face Powder. I did hit pan on this, as you can see, and I do still have some of it left on the edge, but the thing is, when I like try to like swipe it with my brush, you know, it's like at the edge. I don't want to like, you know, so I just decided to throw it away because this thing, I've had it for over a year now, and I love this face powder. I will be repurchasing this one. I love you. It just made my face really matte, and it didn't make me feel oily at all. in this video, but I don't know why. I think maybe it's because of the sugar kick or something. Yeah, like I said, I hope you guys want to talk about it down in the comment bar. And if you are new, make sure you are subscribing and clicking that bell button so it notifies you when I upload a new video. And I'm almost close to 800 subscribers. I think I need more, I need like 6 more subscribers. So when I reach 800 subscribers, I will do a giveaway. It's not going to be a big giveaway, but I promise you that I will do a giveaway once I do reach a certain amount of subscribers. So anyways, guys, I love you and I hope you guys have a good day and a good week, and I will talk to you guys in my next video.